Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bricks in Conan Exiles. To begin, you will need to gather essential raw materials. Start by collecting plenty of stone from the world using a pickaxe. Next, gather a reliable fuel source such as wood, bark, or coal. Once you have these, craft a basic furnace, which becomes available at level 10, requiring 25 stone and 20 wood. With your furnace crafted, it is time to start producing bricks. Open the furnace interface and place all your collected stone into the main input slots. Then, add your fuel source, like wood or bark, into the designated fuel slot. Once both are present, the furnace will automatically begin smelting the stone into bricks, one by one, consuming fuel as it works. Beyond basic bricks, you can craft hardened bricks for stronger structures. To do this, you will need regular bricks, tar, and iron ore. Tar is produced when you tan animal hides in a tannery. Iron ore can be mined from deposits found in mountainous regions and deep within caves. Place all three components into a furnace to create hardened bricks. Bricks are an absolutely essential resource for any exile. They form the backbone of sturdy bases, providing strong foundations and walls that can withstand the harsh environment and enemy attacks. Hardened bricks offer even greater resilience, making your structures more secure. Furthermore, both types of bricks are vital ingredients in numerous advanced crafting recipes, enabling further progression.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.